Hi everyone, in this video, I'm sharing how I make my face a little more symmetrical and balanced with makeup. The first step is to look at a photo of your face. If the difference between your right side and the left side is not prominent, you can flip your photo vertically. No one has a symmetrical face, but if you want to know how I make my face a little more balanced with makeup, just keep on watching. These are the products and items I use. First, I'm balancing my brows to make them look more symmetrical or even. In this video, I'm using a dark brown brow pencil. I'm using a shade a little lighter than my real brow hairs to keep the brows from getting too intense. Using a brow pen like these would give you a more natural, brow-like finish. I'm starting from the end or the tail of the brow. I'm overdrawing my right brow to match the height of my left brow. Make sure you are using a mirror and sometimes step back and check the balance of your brows. You can also take photos on your phone and check as you go. I take time at this step because the brows frame the whole face, so having even brows would mean having a more balanced face. For the front or the inner part of the brow, I'm using a contouring powder. With a small dense brush, I'm creating a shadow by following the natural contours of my nose. I'm blending it out with a blending brush. I'm using the contour as a guide to make the inner part of the brows more even. I'm using the spoolie to soften any harsh lines. Again, time to time, it is important to step back and check the balance of both brows. I'm going back and forth between the two sides to make them look even. Next, I'm contouring my cheeks. This is a neutral brown cream contour. If you have a round face like me, make sure you know where your cheekbones are before you apply any product. Then with a brush, I'm applying the cream contour along my cheekbone and blending it out with a fluffy brush. Make sure that you are blending upward to lift your cheeks. If you have uneven jaw lines, you can also make them more balanced by strategically contouring the areas that are uneven. Finally, I'm evening out my lips. The right side of my lips is less plump and not as lifted as my left side. I'm using the contour powder again, and with a thin liner brush, I'm softly creating a shadow in an upward direction on the right side. Then, with a lip liner that matches my lip color, I'm overdrawing the right side to match the left side. Then I'm using a concealer that is close to my skin tone. With a small flat brush, I'm applying the concealer along the lower lip on my right side to give a lifted look. And now we are done. The tips I shared in this video are very subtle and not drastic, but I hope you can take away some tips on how you can make your face look a little more balanced with makeup. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!